Here's the ultimate 205 litre or 55 gallon drum handling solution, DrumGrab. DrumGrab is the new, innovative way to safely handle all types of 55 gallon drums. DrumGrab simply and securely attaches to the top of a drum, allowing it to be raised, lowered or handled by just about any lifting device. DrumGrab allows safe use by one person, no need to be under or near swinging drums. Whether the drum is steel or plastic, with thick or thin rims, and no matter what they hold up to 1 tonne in weight, DrumGrab will easily attach and hang on. DrumGrab uses 3 rigid arms that self-centre on top of the drum, allowing a vertical lift without inward pressure. Thanks to the patented spring design, upwards pressure ensures the positive engagement on the rim, without having to keep tension on the lifting cable or chain. DrumGrab won't let go, but releases easily when required. This means DrumGrab can be attached to drums on their side, or used to lift or place drums on boats and barges rising and falling in a swell. Swinging does not matter, nor greasy or oily drums. DrumGrab can pluck or place a drum in a group without having to move surrounding drums. DrumGrab can even make rolling full drums on their edge convenient and safe. Simply use the lift hook as leverage to pull the drum to its point of balance and roll away with perfect control. Open-top drums are no problem for DrumGrab. Upward pressure can be applied by an operator or a slat across the drum to place pressure on the spring. The arm hooks even hang on by themselves. Move material to where you want it and then tip the drum in 2 operations. Carry the full drum to the site and lay it over. Then attach DrumGrab to the base to tip the drum out. It's easy. DrumGrab can be adapted to any type of lifting device: block and tackle, forklift, tractor, jib, crane, or even helicopter. DrumGrab goes anywhere you need it to move drums. Handling drums is now simple, fast and safe for one operator. DrumGrab is proudly Australian made using high quality ductile iron and powder coated in safety yellow. DrumGrab complies with internationally rated Australian standard AS 4991-2004 for lifting devices rated to 2200 pounds or 1 metric tonne, and also carries an Australian standard AS 1418-5 rating for cranes, hoists and winches. DrumGrab is tested and certified by Test Safe Australia, an NCSI certification facility with reciprocal worldwide links to countries including the United States, so you know it's safe. DrumGrab.